Today, we're excited to showcase a practical demonstration of the PCE UFM 200SM ultrasonic flow meter, filmed at the prestigious IIT Bombay. The PCE UFM 200SM is a compact clamp-on ultrasonic flow meter, specially designed for easy and non-intrusive flow measurement. It offers exceptional accuracy, minimal installation effort, and is perfect for both research and industrial applications. At IIT Bombay, our team demonstrated how seamlessly this flow meter can be installed. With its clamp-on transducers, there's no need to cut pipes or stop the flow, making it a hassle-free choice for live systems. Once installed, the PCE UFM 200SM provides real-time readings of flow velocity and volume directly on its clear display. This makes monitoring and data collection straightforward, reliable, and highly efficient. We believe the PCE UFM 200SM is a powerful solution for academic research labs and industries alike, thanks to its accuracy, portability, and user-friendly interface. Highlights: USB-C interface for data transfer, optional software for analyzing the measured values, reproducibility plus or minus 0.5% of measured value, heat quantity measurement, data memory for 10 million measuring points, individually adjustable alarm limits, optionally with ISO or DAX calibration certificate. If you'd like to know more about the PCE UFM 200SM or get a live demonstration at your facility, please feel free to contact us at ADK Instruments. Visit our website at adkinstruments.in or call us at +91 807 763 6490. Thank you for watching.